Good morning, friends. In today's module, we are going to learn how to prepare online quiz for the students and how to prepare mathematics certificate. So, firstly, you must sign in your Google Gmail account. So, firstly, sign in your Gmail account. Go to Google Apps, select Google Drive, click on. Now, this home page of Google Drive will be appear before us. Now go to new and more and click on Google Form. As usual, you can see there is a untitled form appear before us. Then firstly you give the title online quiz. So this online quiz is generally I ask some questions in that as a competitive examination based questions. In this online quiz, I'm going to ask some competitive examinations questions which will be very much helpful to the students. So these are the samples questions. So online quiz. Uh, Write here some descriptions, whatever you want to do. Suppose okay, I write sharp notes. This test is very much helpful to you to prepare competitive examinations. Okay, now I can write here after submitting this test or quiz, you will get e-certificate. Firstly, number one. So already I have prepared some questions which I want to ask. So in I selected and put here. Now I have choose multiple choice option for these questions. In India, 5-year plan is formulated by. The options are A. CSO Planning Commission, finance commission, planning ministers, all these. Click on the so quiz. So now there is a make this a quiz and open this button. Okay, this setting is most important. After that, grade quiz options. Release grade immediately after each submissions, later after manual review turns or email collections. So all these settings we will understand at the end of this quiz. So just leave save it. Okay. Now if we want, so one by one we are going to complete this quiz. Now there is an answer key and there are also points. If suppose after submitting this quiz, the student can get result immediately, and it is depend on your settings. So immediately after each submission means student can get means student can get result immediately if you on this button. If in spite of this button, if you select this button, so what is written here, later after manual review means whenever the quiz organizer will send, then they will get, otherwise after submitting they will get the result. So we want to get them result immediately after each each submission. Okay, now respondent can see missed questions. Sometimes student can forget to solve some questions. Then if you switch on this button, so it means they will be reminded by the systems, and if they know, if a quiz organizer wants to know the correct answer of the quiz of the questions, then right here and point value. If you want to know them point value means marks, then click on it and switch on it, and after saving, this setting has been done. Now every time you can uh, every time you can give the marks and answer each questions. Suppose in India 5-year plan formulated by, the answer is finance commission. Okay, the answer is planning commission, the answer is planning minister. Suppose I this is the planning commission. Okay, the answer is planning commission. Then go to the answer key and click on planning commissions and give. Now you can see here at the top corner there is written points. You can give any points, 1 2 3 4. If you click on it, then the marks will be increased, and if you click below of this button, then marks will be decreased. Okay, so I give 2 marks. Okay, and after completing this you can done here. Okay, these questions has been done. Now the second questions we can give here. Again add to this, paste here, who is the HRD minister presently. So cut, paste. Now I set all answer. Question is, who is the HRD minister presently? Who is the HRD minister? We can increase it, of India presently. Okay. Now there are the options: Lal Krishna Advani, Nitin Gadkari, uh, Ramesh Pokhriyal, Piyush Goyal. So we know the answer. You can set your answer previously. So confirm your answer. That will the students will get the marks. Now the answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal. So what I do, I go to the answer, click on it, and these options appear. Then click on Ramesh Pokhriyal and give the marks of this question. 2 marks. The answer is, we have said the answer is, correct answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal, an HRD minister, and give 2 marks for these questions and done. Okay. So you can give required or not required. It is optional for you. Now the third questions I write here. Now the question is, how many districts are there in Maharashtra state? Okay. Now the there is an A 29, 36, 28, 32. So go to answer key for fix your answer. The correct answer is 36, and you can see here there is a right mark, means this answer is correct. Give the marks of this question 2 marks, 2 points, and done. Like this you can prepare fourth questions. I am going to ask very simple questions. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Now I already prepared these questions in Word file, so it will become convenient. Uh, we can make quiz fastly. Okay. Now there are four options: Devendra Fadnavis, Raj Thakre, Aditya Thakre, Uddhav Thakre. The correct answer we know, Uddhav Thakre. Then go to the answer key and select Uddhav Thakre. You can see here right marks, means this option is correct. Give the point, 2 point, and done. Okay. After clicking on it, I include only 5 questions in this quiz for sample, for knowing all of you. You can make such types of quiz for your students. Okay. Now what is URL? The correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. There are some also options given. So go to the answer and give correct options, give the marks, and done. Now you can see your online competitive quiz has been prepared. So you can see here a view of this online quiz. Okay. So before that, you can see here automatically email addresses has been come here. So we can write here the name of students also initially, because this is necessary to. So we have already option yeah, here tick out collect email address. Then you can tick out here collect email address. Then automatically these options will be arise on your quiz, on your Google form initially. This Google form initially required the participants email address. Okay, now you can see here email address. So put here firstly name of the student, name of the participants. So start answer is sufficient, and after that you can include here class. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that in Google form you are making anything, so there is not need to save it, means control S save buttons, not need. This system automatically save these all files. Now you can see email address, name of the students, class, and after that this quiz has been started. Whenever the student will uh, solve it, so how will be the result he will get, you can see here. So just I put my um, gmail email address, got it, class options. Okay, now you can see here there is we have committed one mistake, class, and there is an option. So go to class, there is an option. So class needs short sorry, class needs short answer. So this line should be there. Okay, now you can put here now you can see here I write here my email address, I write my name, class, write there something, become final. Okay, now give the answer. In India 5 years plans formulated by, I write here planning minister. uh, so deliberately I put here wrong answer. Who is HRD minister of presently, I write here Ramesh Pokhriyal is the correct answer. How many districts there? The correct answer is 36, because I write here 28. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray. And what is the URL? Uniform. Okay, I submit it. Now we have made settings, so that's why we have made setting, so that's why we can see here our score. So after submitting, the candidate can see his or her score here. Okay, now we can check my Gmail account. With the help of this link which is given on Gmail account, student can fill up this quiz, and such way this quiz has been prepared. So hope all of you understand this quiz, how to prepare online quiz. Thank you very much.